Have you ever felt like the future is moving faster than your wallet can keep up? Now that we're in 2025, it's time to stop wondering and start acting. What if I told you that the next year holds opportunities that could transform your finances forever? Stay with me, because in this video, we're diving into 5 powerful ways to earn money in 2025, methods that can put you on the path to financial freedom starting today. Let's face it, remote work isn't going anywhere. In fact, by 2025, over 50% of the workforce is expected to engage in freelance or gig work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are gold mines for skilled individuals. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, marketer, or programmer, there's a client out there looking for you. And here's the kicker. Remote freelancing isn't just about making extra cash. It's about reclaiming your time, choosing your projects, and building a portfolio that opens doors you never imagined. But wait, how do you stand out in a sea of competition? We'll get to that in just a moment. Have you ever thought about getting paid to do what you love? Content creation is booming, and it's not just about YouTube or TikTok anymore. Podcasts, newsletters, and niche blogs are becoming lucrative income streams. Imagine turning your passion, whether it's fitness, gaming, or personal finance, into a full-blown business. Here's a pro tip. Instead of chasing viral trends, focus on building a loyal audience. Why? Because loyalty pays off in ways views never will. And if you're worried that the market's too crowded, let me tell you a secret about why 2025 is the perfect year to start. But first, let's shift gears to something even more exciting. By 2025, I won't just be a buzzword, it'll be a game changer. From AI-driven virtual assistants to automated dropshipping businesses, the possibilities are endless. Picture this, a business model where most of the work is done while you sleep. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and AI-driven analytics are making it easier than ever to launch and scale digital ventures. But here's the thing, AI is only as smart as the person using it. The question is, will you be ahead of the curve or playing catch-up? Speaking of staying ahead, let's talk about an investment opportunity that's reshaping the financial landscape. Traditional stock markets are great, but in 2025, emerging markets are where the real growth lies. Think beyond the US. Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America are becoming hotbeds for innovation and economic expansion. Investing in these markets through ETFs or global equity funds can yield higher returns than you'd expect. But here's the catch. Emerging markets come with risks. The key is to diversify wisely and stay informed. And if investing feels intimidating, don't worry. We'll touch on a resource to help you get started at the end of this video. For now, let's explore the final way to earn in 2025. Digital products are a low-cost, high-reward income stream. Think ebooks, online courses, or even apps. The beauty? Once you create it, it can earn money indefinitely with minimal upkeep. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales from a product you created months ago. The digital economy is only growing, and there's no better time to claim your piece of it. But how do you decide which product to create? Stay tuned for the final tip. Here's the bottom line. 2025 is brimming with opportunities for those willing to adapt, learn, and take action. Remote freelancing, content creation, AI-powered businesses, emerging markets, and digital products are more than just ideas. They're your roadmap to financial freedom. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, check out our video on finance tips for students. Save money while in college. It's packed with actionable advice you won't want to miss. Click the link on the end screen and start building your wealth journey today. Don't wait. 2025 is yours for the taking.